Hi guys, welcome to the session 2 of this particular series where we are checking that which is the question which was answered wrong by most of us in the mock test. So yesterday I had taken one syllogism question. Today I am going to discuss one puzzle which was answered wrong by most of us, right? You can see here, if you check this one, you can see that only 43% of us answered this right, okay? So यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो only 43% of us have given the right answer. That means 57% of us gave the wrong answers. Now that this does not mean that the question was on the difficult side, because you can see this is an easy question and this is the complete set, right? 5 questions. Now you can see 92% here, 75 here, 92, 88, but 43 in this particular question. So what was the tricky part? It's not about the puzzle, guys. It is about the question which was on the trickier side, right? तो question गड़बड़ किया है, puzzle गड़बड़ नहीं किया, puzzle सही solve किया, but the answer was marked wrong. So let's quickly check that how this particular question has to be done. So this is the question on the screen, right? So let's try it out. Let's see. So we have a rectangular table, okay, such that one person is along each of the smaller sides and 3 persons are there along the longer side, something like this, right? Let's draw one more. Let's see. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. Right? So let's try it out. What is given here? Then we have this information that T sits on one of the shorter sides. Let's take this as T. So now it is given that there is a gap of 2 persons between T and Z. So you can see Z can be this person or Z can be this person, either of the 2 cases. Now there is U is sitting diagonally opposite to Z. Now guys, understand, diagonally opposite will be this one, right? Please don't take this middle one as diagonally opposite to Z. Diagonally opposite is always like this, right? So you can see Z ke opposite diagonally kaun hai? You can see U is opposite to Z. Similarly, U has to be here, either of the 2 cases. Then X is second to the left of Z. So you can see X has to be second to the left of Z, something like this. X is second to the left of Z. Then what we have here, you can see that we have S who sits opposite to V and is third to the left of X. That means we are giving you 2 information about S. That is, S has to be opposite to V and he has to be third to the left of X. 1, 2, 3. We cannot place. Already we have your T here. That means this is invalid. In this case, 1, 2, 3. So you can see S will be here, right? And he is opposite to V will be like this. Okay? Now what is remaining? Then we have W is immediate left of Y. So W has to be immediate left of Y. That means you can see W is immediate left of Y will be like this. So this is the final structure that you will be getting here, right? ये आपका final structure बन गया. Now the question is tricky. You would have got this arrangement, right? We can see that first question was answered right by 92%. But here this particular question was given wrong by 57% of us. Now what is tricky here? X is related to T. Right? You can see X, that is the first person. How is X related to T? You can see he is towards the immediate right here. Okay. Similarly, U is related to S. You can see again that U is towards the immediate right of this person. So who will be related to Y is the question. That means you can see the answer should have been Y, but most of us answered it as W. ये भी हो जाता है psychologically. If we think, you can see that we do not have a S here. So we sometimes feel that it is going to be W because S तो है ही नहीं. But guys, there is a none of the above as well, right? So be careful. So yes, they played with the psychology. So you can see the answer should have been S instead of W. So that is why most of us gave the wrong answers in here. Okay. So I hope now we will not be making this mistake in the examination. So be careful with this type of question. I hope this was clear. Now in the comment section, do mention whether you were able to do it right or not. You can see this is going to be in mock number 13. So if you have completed this particular question, do let me know in the comment section whether you were able to do it right or not. So thank you so much guys for such series, for such questions. Do tune into Oliveboard regularly. We will be dealing with such questions where we are making a lot of errors, right? So because it is important, we have exams in the coming week. So do check it out on a regular basis. Thank you so much guys. Have a great day. Thank you.